Another beautiful sunset at the beach. Mount Iliamna on the left, Mount Redoubt on the right, Cook Inlet, that's Mount Spur, and Kenai is down that way. I'm at the mouth of the Kasilof River. That's the river right there coming out, flowing down into the inlet. Right there. Got here just in time to catch the sunset. And of course, I got the Vanagon. So I will get camp set up real quick, and then hopefully this will turn into a nice pretty red. Got the top popped, sunset's happening. I just started a fire. It's getting prettier by the minute. Gonna be another rough evening. I'm gonna do a little caveman cooking over the fire once it gets ripping. Got my fat bike. I'm gonna do a little fat biking probably in the morning, unless it's windy and cold, and then I might have to skip on that. Fire's going. That's my view. This is horrible. I'll suffer through it just for you guys. That wind kind of has a little bite to it, but I guess I'll get over it. Got my steak prepped. Got my cooking utensil. It extends out so I won't have to sit there and die next to the heat. Got the flame on. And that is my sunset. It keeps coming and going, but this is probably the prettiest it's been all night. Three volcanoes right here. There's a fourth one down around the corner, but can't see it from here. Yep, gonna get my caveman cook on. Yep, she's all forked up. And we're cooking. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but it's an easy way to cook. And since I already got a campfire, might as well cook something. Boy, that sunset just keeps getting better and better. Not much wind, but the little bit of wind there is, it is chilly. Not overly impressed. It's just a little above freezing at the moment, but it's supposed to drop, so I'm sure it'll be frosty when I wake up in the morning. I love cooking steaks this way up in the mountains after a big long mountain bike ride in. They just seem to taste better. Alright, there it is. It's rested and it's time to eat. I'm gonna sit here next to the fire. Watch what's left of the sunset. It's nice getting, sunset was at 8 p.m. so this is the aftermath. It's 9 p.m. now. Getting more daylight. I'm digging that. But I'm gonna grub down on this steak. It looks delicious. Guessing that's a military flight. Flying load above the water. I'm standing here next to the fire. Got the Vanagon right there. Gotta make sure I grab that garbage bag in case it gets windy. It starts making noise. It starts banging on the side of the Vanagon. Found that out last week. Stars are out. Moon's bright. I dropped the top. It's chilling right off, so I figured I'd keep more of the heat down low. That's where I'm gonna be sleeping, so. Turn the heater on, warm up the cabinets and everything in there so it'll be comfortable when I get in a little while. I'm just chilling here by the campfire. I wouldn't say chilling, I'm nice and toasty warm. Those lights are keen eye. Moon, super bright. It's not even a full moon. It's just nice and bright. The stars are nice and bright. Unfortunately, the video won't show the stars. Maybe I'll take some pictures. Well, good morning from Alaska. Yeah, it's a little frosty once again, but no snow, so you know, whatever. Just woke up, kind of slept in today. I stayed out by the campfire until the wee hours of the morning, so I'm gonna get my butt around. I got the heater cranked up because it was chilly in here. I ended up shutting it off in the middle of the night because it got too hot. Now I'm just sitting here. I gotta get some clothes on and get the heck out of here. Got a busy day. Yep, it is sunrise. That wind is a little chilly on the back of my neck, but darn is that a breathtaking wake up view. Of course, got the Syncro kicked back. Sun's gonna come up over here. Solo stove. That burnt way too long last night. I stayed up way too late. But I figured I'd show you this sunrise. That's Mount Redoubt and Mount Iliamna right there. Sun just touching them.